Hi, and welcome to AI Real Highlights for Conveyancing Newcastle, reliable and professional residential conveyancing in Rankin Park. I'm your host, Connie, and let's dive in, shall we? Today, we're shining a light on how Conveyancing Newcastle simplifies property transactions, ensuring you, our valued client, have a smooth and stress-free journey. We specialise in residential property conveyancing, providing expert services in Rankin Park and surrounding areas. Our commitment is to clear communication, meticulous attention to detail, and truly exceptional customer support, guaranteeing every step is handled with professionalism and care. You can expect swift turnaround times for contract preparation and searches, along with personalised guidance. This dedication makes us a trusted partner. We ensure swift property transactions, offer expert advice, provide clear updates at every stage, and guarantee precision-driven, error-free processing with exceptional client support. Your smooth journey to property ownership truly starts here. Now, you might be asking, how exactly can Conveyancing Newcastle help me? Well, we understand that navigating the residential property market can feel incredibly overwhelming. But don't you worry, because we are absolutely here to take that stress right off your shoulders. Our team of professionals will guide you through every step of the conveyancing process, ensuring everything is handled reliably and transparently. Whether you're buying or selling, we'll manage all the necessary paperwork, communicate with all parties involved, and keep you thoroughly informed. This allows you to focus on your next big move in Rankin Park with complete confidence. So why choose us? It's simple. When you're looking for reliable and efficient residential property conveyancing, our experienced team is committed to making your transaction as smooth as possible, guaranteeing quick turnaround times and clear communication every step of the way. Let's tackle some frequently asked questions, shall we? Firstly, what exactly is residential property conveyancing? It's the legal process of transferring property ownership, covering contract prep, property searches, and ensuring all legal obligations are met. So it's more than just paperwork. Secondly, do I really need a conveyancer, or can I handle it myself? While it's technically possible to DIY, it's generally not recommended due to the complexities and legal requirements. An experienced conveyancer guarantees everything is done correctly and minimises risks. And finally, how will you keep me updated throughout the process? We believe clear communication is absolutely essential. You'll receive regular updates via phone, email, or even in-person meetings, ensuring you're always well informed. For Rankin Park locals, our services provide transparent residential property conveyancing, allowing you to focus on your new home without stress. Diving into home buying? Having the right assistance makes all the difference. Residential property conveyancing is about making your journey to home ownership as smooth as possible. From reviewing titles to navigating zoning regulations, your conveyancer becomes your trusted advisor. We efficiently resolve issues like title defects, protecting your interests while you envision life in your new home. Once the one is found, we manage communication between all parties, explaining each transaction part clearly so you can make informed decisions. We streamline the entire process, from contract preparation to settlement, meaning you won't be stuck in tedious paperwork. Our aim is to alleviate stress, giving you peace of mind. Let's get your property transaction moving. Contact us today. For more details and to book a call with our conveyancing expert, visit our website. Your smooth journey to property ownership truly starts here.